Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Bachche. Good morning.
Ma'am, can you tell the marks?
Marks.
Ma'am, you discussed the paper yesterday, but you haven't told the marks.
I told you know that most of you, except for 5 or 6, everyone has got above 10, between 13, 14. I think I
Good
told you
morning, ma'am.
yesterday. Good morning. Isn't it, Payal? Good morning. Didn't I
Yes,
say
ma'am.
that?
Ma'am, you discussed about the paper.
Paper also, and I told you that most of you have scored between 13, 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Above 12
Yes,
and above 12 up to 14. Right?
But please tell the specific.
But what? But what?
Ma'am, we today got to know our English. Please tell us history. Sorry, geography also.
But a whole period will go in this only. Isn't it?
Ma'am, only 10 minutes.
10 minutes? You know how many students are there in your class?
It took half
Ma'am,
period of
Ma'am, you can tell us
10
the students who are present in the class.
Those
Yes,
who are
ma'am.
present in the class. What if anybody feels offensive that why my marks ma'am has told in the Zoom class? All are going to listen to it. YouTube, it will be uploaded. Imagine. Decide and tell me what do you want.
you can ask that one.
Huh?
I'm in the first class. Palak ma'am told you can tell as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta. Okay, I will tell the names of those students who have scored between 12 to 14, right? Right? And you decide on your own how much you must have scored, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any Muskan Chaudhary in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, means in your class. Do you really have any Muskan Chaudhary?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But I don't have her
Yes,
name. Acha, Muskan, right? 3115. Okay. We'll start from Alin. Huh? Alin, there were no mistakes.
ma'am.
I am not telling you the marks. You guess on your own and let me know what I say after that. Alin, no mistakes are there in your paper. Then we have Aditi Gupta. No mistakes in her paper as well. Aditya Gangwar, just one mistake. Aditya Mishra, no mistakes. Agrima Singh, no, just one mistake. No. Agrima, just one mistake. Right? Then Alishba, no mistakes. Angel, no mistakes. Angel Anand, 1.5 mistake. Ansh Patel, no mistakes. Anushka Sharma, just 1.5 mistake. Ayush Agarwal, no mistakes. Ayushi Vashisht. Ayushi Vashisht, no mistakes. Then Bhavya Tyagi, one mistake in the
Excuse me, ma'am.
chart. Yes, Angel.
Ma'am, Vidushi is saying कि my mic is not working. She is not able to mute and unmute herself.
Vidushi, let me check, beta. Let me check. Let me check. Tell her to, Vidushi, beta, you can rejoin or you can refresh your Zoom, right? Right? Okay. Then Bhavya Tyagi, I have told you no. only in the flowchart your mistake was there. Then Kartik Chauhan, no mistakes. Kartike, no mistakes. Khushi Rathore, just one mistake, that too in the, give one word for the statement. Then Krishna Gupta, no mistakes. Lakshanya, 1.5 mistake. Laksh Kumar, no mistakes. Then Muskan Chaudhary, only half mistake. Then we have Navya Goel, one mistake. Niruz, one mistake. 1.5
Good
mistake.
morning.
Good morning, Vidushi. Now it is fine, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Payal Gangwar, no mistakes. Pranjal Gupta, okay, Pranjal Gupta, I think 2 marks you have lost in your flowchart. Okay. Then Pratyush.
Ma'am, where was my mistake?
I didn't tell you. आपके उसमें कोई मिस्टेक ऐसा नहीं है. आपके जो हैं in that I think define the following terms में you have gone wrong somewhere. So आपका half marks का mistake है केवल. ठीक है? नहीं, पूरे 1 mark का mistake है बेटा. I think one you have not defined. One term you have not defined. The paper that you
Ma'am,
have
I have
sent,
defined all.
no,
Ma'am,
but the paper you have sent the other day, no, it does not has it. It has only 2 definitions in it.
ma'am, there were 4 sheets. Ma'am, one have 2 definitions and second one have 3rd.
Let me open it, beta. 1 minute रुको. I have the sheet with me. Wait a second. Aditya Kumar, no? Can you send a wave on your number because I have to search. बहुत सारे नहीं मिल पाएगा ऐसे.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I send the pics of definitions?
नहीं, अभी अलग से मत भेजो. आप केवल वो भेजो जो आपने ऑलरेडी भेजा हुआ था पहले. उसी में बस एक आप हैंड शेक करता हुआ भेज दो या हैंड वेव करता हुआ भेज दो. आई विल कम टू नो कि इट इज योर नंबर.
Ma'am, I have sent good morning, ma'am.
बट इस पे तो नहीं आया था आपका वो पेपर. दूसरे नंबर पे आया था. अच्छा ठीक है.
Ma'am, this was.
हाँ ठीक है. दोबारा भेजना पड़ेगा बेटा. वो शायद डिलीट हो गया है. सेंड अगेन. ठीक है. देन Priya Gangwar, no mistakes. Ridhima, no mistakes. Saksham Patel, 1 mark mistake. Saksham Sahu, no mistakes.
You were telling Pratyush.
Huh?
Ma'am, you were about to tell Pratyush.
अच्छा, प्रत्युष का हमने बताया नहीं. प्रत्युष, no mistakes. Then Saksham Patel, 1 mistake. Saksham Sahu, no mistakes. Swastik, no mistakes. Tanishka, 1 mistake. Tarini, no mistakes. Utkarsh, no mistakes. Ved, no mistakes. Vidushi, Vidushi, no mistakes. Then Yashraj, you have not done the flow chart. Yashraj, are you there in the meeting? Yashraj, are you there? Yashraj, whole of the paper was correct, but then because he did not do the flow chart, so 4 marks minus.
Ma'am, please tell mine again, as when you were telling I got disconnected.
Muskan, no mistakes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Fine. You got your numbers now?
Ma'am, you missed.
Anji?
Ma'am, you missed 1 more.
Ma'am, do you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
my 3rd?
You आदित्य, आपने भेजा दोबारा से इमेजेस? बाद में भेज दीजिएगा. अभी हमने फीड नहीं करे हैं मार्क्स. आई विल रेक्टिफाई. अगर आपने लिखा है तो आई विल करेक्ट इट, राइट? बिकॉज जो मेरे पास.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बच्चा.
Ma'am, in the fill in the blanks in the third question, can we write inexhaustible resources rather than renewable resources?
Yes, I have given marks for that.
Okay, ma'am.
I have given marks. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yashraj, are you there? पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाते हैं. चलिए. I think yesterday I gave you certain things to Ansh Patel. Yes, beta. You want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Are you saying something?
No. I did not say anything. I thought you want to say something.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes,
Were
Raj,
you
where
saying
are you? I
something?
am calling you for so long.
Ma'am, my internet was lagging. Your voice was cracking.
Okay. I am saying that you have not attempted your flowchart. That is why you have lost 4 marks.
Ma'am, out of what numbers?
You gave the paper. You should know the number percent, the marks weightage.
Mm.
How much marks
Ma'am, I
were there
didn't
for geography?
remember how much marks were for geography.
14.
Out of 14. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Rest, whatever you have attempted is all correct. No mistakes at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Chaliye. Fine. You all have the geography notebooks with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Have you all done the work that was given to you? Keywords, 2 keywords were there. Then 2 flowcharts were there that we did in the class yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And then I think we did, I gave you some places, countries and states to mark for the map work. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more thing that you are supposed to do in the notebook is on the rule side where you have written the keywords. I think you have space over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So
Yes,
you will be writing this heading, various uses of minerals.
Ma'am, on the road side.
On the rule side. Beta done?
Please wait a second.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Then
Ma'am, construction purposes.
for construction purposes, yes. See, there are various things, no, which are made
Okay.
up of iron and they are used in construction. See, whenever a building is constructed, even for the construction of houses also, for the offices also, this iron is required, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am, what is written after? Ma'am, what is written in the third line? In third one.
see, beta,
Ma'am, what is written in third line? Third one.
its main ores are like iron is obtained from the ores, no? So the main ores are magnetite, hematite, limonite, and siderite,
Okay.
right?
Ma'am, what are bleaching powder? Excuse me, ma'am.
What did you say, Angel?
Ma'am, what are bleaching powder?
बेटा bleaching powders are the powders that are used for making something white. Like आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे bleaching powder का जो use है वो काफी सारी चीजों में है. एक तो हम पानी को जो है क्लीन करने के लिए भी यूज करते हैं ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, ठीक है. दूसरा, हम गंदगी जो हमारे जो स्टेन्स होते हैं उसको निकालने के लिए भी ब्लीचिंग पाउडर यूज होता है, वाइट सा पाउडर होता है, ठीक है. और इसका यूज कुछ कॉस्मेटिक्स वगैरह में भी यूज होता है, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm in cleaning of tanks also.
In what? In
Tanks. My water tanks.
cleaning of tanks, exactly. So it is used as a cleaning agent basically, right?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done. Ma'am, please show copper one.
Now, copper written.
I'm done copper.
Now, bauxite. Yes. Yes, beta.
I'm done.
Done.
I'm done.
Now, sixth
I'm
one.
done.
Okay, sixth
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Done.
Sixth one. Diamond.
Ma'am, what is written after diamond? One.
First point.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my notebook is filled, so can I bring another?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll up to the diamond point?
Yes.
Ma'am, you can scroll down.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Fine. So these are the 8 minerals that are important for various industries. Now, why I made you write this? Because as I told you, I give you questions that are from the chapter, within the chapter. So if anything comes from these minerals as usage or importance, you can always write these points depending upon the marks of the question. Right? Right, class?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, can you show limestone? Ma'am, for 2 minutes.
It's there on the screen. Got it?
Ma'am, done.
Fine. Tell me, reading part, how much we have done of this chapter? Class?
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am,
done
we
reading.
have to start
with the distribution of
distribution of mineral resources.
Okay, so distribution part we are not doing. I have already given you the uses of various minerals and major producing countries in the world. 2 major countries I have already given to you. So don't go through it. Okay. Map work. Only you will be doing 2 maps, one world map and one India map, where you will be showing only those countries and states which I have told you to mark. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, throughout the world, the distribution of these minerals is quite uneven. Can you tell why it is uneven? What are the factors responsible for the uneven distribution?
Ma'am, source.
Like, source like?
Ma'am, like limestones are mostly found at the seabeds,
Right.
and diamonds are found where Earth's temperature is more high level.
Yes, though diamond is found in the sedimentary rocks only, but near the water beds only, but then they are generally found on the foothills of the valleys which are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See, generally, why the distribution of minerals is uneven? Because of the geographical conditions. The physical features of the country, they are the main reason for the concentration of the mineral resources. Like if we talk about India, in India, where most of the minerals are concentrated in which part of the country? Can you tell? Which physical
Plateau.
region? In the
Plateau region.
Plateau region, exactly. See, if you see Deccan Plateau region, Malwa Plateau, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau, these 3 regions, they have a complete concentration of copper, iron, coal in it, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the geographical conditions or the physical division of the country also decides that what kind of mineral will be available. We all have read that the minerals are found in the different types of rocks, major rocks that we have. So these rocks, wherever the rocks, whatever percentage of igneous rocks or metamorphic rocks are there, different types of minerals will be concentrated in those areas. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the conservation of minerals. Do you think conservation of mineral is an important aspect?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is important?
Ma'am, because minerals are used for various resources, and if there are no minerals, then
Ma'am, and
Ma'am,
minerals are exhaustible resources.
our needs can be fulfilled then.
See, the exactly what Aditya has said, the major factor is that the minerals, they are the base of any country, right? They are the base of any industry, because if we talk about iron is considered as the backbone of the industries. All the industries that we have in the world, they have a major usage of iron in it, because with the help of iron, many things are produced, many things are made, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, see, these minerals, because they are, as Aditya said, no, that they are exhaustible. We cannot have them in a short span of time, renewing themselves. It takes, years in the building of these minerals. So when we are using these mineral resources, we need to ensure that we are using every inch of it. We are not wasting it, right? Secondly, we should go for the process of recycling. Recycling is the best way to conserve these resources. Mineral resources, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So minerals, they are an important part of the industries. They are important part of the industries. They are required for several construction purposes. Then most of the major industries in the world that we have, they are, based on the various minerals that are obtained from different rocks that we have, right? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can we have Alind reading conservation of minerals quickly? Is he there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this page 167, conservation of minerals?
Okay, ma'am. I'm reading. Ma'am, conservation of minerals.
Yes, conservation of minerals.
The increasing world population and the demands of more and more people is having people to have higher standards of living have resulted in the increased use of mineral resources. Minerals are non-renewable. Once consumed, they are completely exhausted and cannot be regenerated soon. We have to use our mineral resources in a planned manner so that the future generation is not deprived of them.
Okay. Can we have Angel Anand reading? Is Angel Anand there in the class? Do we have Angel?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Angel Anand. Is she there in the class?
No, ma'am, she's not there.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Chalo, Payal, can we have you reading?
The ways in which minerals can be conserved are: first, recycling. Many metals like iron, gold, silver, aluminium, once discarded, can be reused by recycling.
Yes. Avoiding wastage.
Second,
Carry on,
avoiding
carry on.
wastage. Efficient methods of mining and smelting can avoid wastage of minerals. While using them, also, we should take care not to waste. Third, substitutes. Alternatives to minerals like biodegradable plastic, wood, and other substitutes should be used more widely. Power resources. Power resources are those that used to generate power or energy. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, water, and nuclear fuels are the main sources of power. Power is required for a wide range of activities from our daily lighting, heating, cooling, and cooking to driving vehicles and running agricultural and factory machinery.
Okay, wait.
Power is
Beta. Wait. As the meeting is going to end any moment, so power resources generally are categorized into two categories: renewable, non-renewable, conventional, unconventional, right? So, and we'll be talking about these conventional, non-conventional, renewable, non-renewable. What is the difference? What is the similarity in the next class that we will have? And please, beta, kindly complete your work up till what I have given to you. Do not keep your work lacking behind, right?
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.